welcome or welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So if you have been following me for a little while, you already know what my channel is about, but just if in case you're watching this face for the first time, do take a moment to follow out other videos. Just that will give you a little glimpse of what my channel is all about. But just in brief, it's more about shopping hauls, some new reviews. If I purchase some item, I kind of shared with you guys lot of DIYs, and also some other stuffs, cooking stuffs. Like recently I've uploaded aloo methi, which that is my own recipe. Actually, I'm not sure how many people being a Bengali follow that recipe, but I actually tried something new and I thought why not to share with you guys. So I kind of did that as well. So I hope that was little helpful to everybody, because I have my own channel of Ritu's Kitchen and Fashion, where I do vlog some recipes which is a little different. But in this channel I've never uploaded any cooking, so I thought let me just see how you guys love it. So as you all know from the description of the video of today is gonna be smoky eyes, which is not typical smoky eyes but little bit of party wear look. So I'm wearing today this tee just to have a party wear look. This is a weekend. I am filming this video Sunday evening, so I thought why not to share with you guys. If in that case it will be a little easy for you and everybody who wanted to try out this look in a very easy way. So I'm not gonna be very professional, I'm not a makeup artist, but what I follow, many of you guys actually asked me about that, how do you do that, and I thought why not to share the video. Back to back I'm filming my updated bags collection as well, so you can see a heap of products over here. So I'm just gonna show you, that's a heap of product there, which I'm just gonna film back to back. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the video. And before we get into the video, do take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Both the handles will be in the description box. So Instagram will give you a little sneak peek of what my recent upload is, and Facebook, I do have a lot of vlogs uploaded on Facebook as well, so you can follow me even there. So for today, what palette I'm gonna use, I'm gonna mix and match two palettes all together for today's look. The one main palette is this Glam 21 Pro Extra Eye palette. This is a palette which I'm gonna use majorly today. Along with that, I'm just gonna use this Hilary Rhoda palette. I have spoken in length about the palette, and this is one of the, I have mentioned in the best eyeshadow palette that I actually prefer. So let's begin the video. So the brushes which I'm going to use is Naked 2, but inside that lot of other brushes, other professional brushes are also there, which I have already spoken in length about the makeup tools. Just in case you did not watch it, do take a moment to watch that, because I think no eye makeup look is complete if the tools are not appropriate. So that's the reason I'm just gonna give you a heads up, because many of you can ask that I also tried the same thing but it did not turned out that way. So it is just because of the makeup brushes that you guys use it. So I'm gonna use all this 6 brushes. So I'm just gonna show you a little brief. These are all which is required. Along with this, I just need one more brush, and we will start off, because anything without the makeup brushes cannot be functional. So this is the one. Oh, I need 3 more. Actually, yes, we do need these 3. So these 3 are also the crucial brush sets that are required, and I'm doing this after a really long time. Let's see how it turns out to be. I will try and explain. If not, then I'm just gonna give you a voice over. Let's see how it works. So I'm just filming randomly. I was about to say rapidly. Okay. So first thing, I will start with our Glam 21. This is the shades I'm gonna pick is definitely gonna be this brown transition, and then this. So let's see how it's. So first I will start with the brown color. obviously I have power, so I have to take my mirror. So on the grease line, first you need to prep up. I have prepped up my skin, to be very honest, and also my eyelids. So that is something that is required, and definitely you need to do that. So brown color, I'm just gonna place it on the crease. I will not go above the crease. I'm gonna bring it a little closer. Yeah. It is super pigmented, so please make sure whatever palette you are using, you yourself know how pigmented it is, because I think that's the way you are gonna roll out your brushes. Okay, so first we'll start up with the light shade, and then slowly and gradually we will move to the darker shade. So first I started with this shade, and then I'll move to this one, and then we'll move to black. So that's how you need to grade the eyebrow color to get that smoky look kind of effect. Also in your lower lash line. Okay, then next step is I'm gonna come directly to the black one. Please dust off the excess, because if you do not dust off the excess, that might end in spilling off the entire makeup, which I'm sure you don't want that. It is supremely pigmented. Now you can see there are two colors. I'm just gonna blend both of them. So this is not what you say as complete smoky eyes, but this is a kind of smoky look that I'm gonna create, or I'm creating right now. So I'm just gonna mix both the colors. I'll take a little lighter color and try to ease out the edges. Okay, so next thing, I'm gonna change my brush, and I'm just gonna take this one. Again, I'm just gonna go back to this brush. Many of you guys ask about this. So this is a mirror from Bellezza. It is somewhere like this. Like many of you guys asked, and I thought, okay. Now I'm gonna blend it real more. This you can consider as a party look. Yes, you can. Then little bit I am done at the lower lash line. I think I'm done with one palette only. I don't need two palette actually. Okay, so I'll come a little closer, and I'm just left with only one step. So that's how actually I wanted it to be, and it actually turned out like this. The next thing which I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna blend a little with the help of this one. it become lighter and it become darker. So I'm just gonna darken up the other one, which is this side. I'll take same this shade, just gonna go a little dark. Okay, so the one thing is the next step is I'm just gonna take this white highlighter kind of, and I'm just gonna clean off this area, because that's the area you need to real clean up, especially in case of eye makeup, smoky eyes, because that will make the look a little cleaner. So I'm just gonna clean this. Also to the inner corners, like you can do it with the help of this brush, or you can do it with the help of a little small brush, anything which you want. So I'm just gonna do it with the help of this one. Okay, that's pretty much, I just wanted to highlight. I have not done my brows, but I did my liner, not the eyeliner. I just did the skincare and the lip color, but I didn't do the brows. So definitely after this step you have to do your brows, because yeah, it will look a little unclean. I did not sit with my brow, but I did okay. So in one of the video I have actually spoken of how you can do it with the help of the palette. Is only like one palette, you can do a lot of things. So with this, since I do not have the eyebrow right now with me, so I'm just gonna take this darker brown color, and just I'm gonna fill up my brows. I think I made a separate video on this. Definitely you need to fix this eye makeup with the help of fixer, because okay, so brows are also done. Next thing which I'm definitely gonna do is my eyeliner. Next step is definitely I'm using Swiss Beauty liner. This is my absolute favorite for a lot of reason. The color payoff, the way it washes off after since your eye makeup is a little smoky, you need to make your liner a little prominent. Okay, so I think I am done from my end. Do let me know how it turned out as far as you guys are concerned. This is more of a smoky eye I do whenever I go for any party or any kind of. You can see the brows are also properly filled. So I have made a separate video of, with the help of one eyeshadow palette, you can do a lot of other stuffs as well. So that's the biggest example, that I also did my brows with the help of the eyeshadow palette which currently I am using. So anything, I think that's pretty much. The next thing you can do is definitely your blusher and the illuminator and everything. So this is pretty much the eye makeup look that I wanted to create. I really love the way it actually turned out to be. Yeah, I hope this video was a little helpful, and if yes, do take a moment to hit the like button, comment down below, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Both the handles will be in the description box, and I will definitely see you in the next video that are going to be about Amazon haul, my bags collection, and definitely the Flipkart haul. So see you, take care, bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. Do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and also hit the like button for more such updates. And that's pretty much. I will see you very soon with yet another video.